Are you tired of guessing when to buy or sell a stock? Want to stop losing money because you entered too late or exited too early? Are you tired of buying high and selling low in the stock market? What if you could predict the highs and lows of a stock before they happen? Welcome to the channel that turns confusion into confidence, your go-to place for mastering stock high and low prediction tools. Hi, I'm Joe, and I created this channel to help regular people like you learn the real tools used by smart traders, tools that help you buy low, sell high, and skip the noise. Our channel gives you a smarter way to trade. No hype, just high probability zones. You don't need to be an expert. Our step-by-step videos are easy to follow, even if you're just starting. And we upload weekly tips, predicted stock high and low for the next week and early next week for some hot stocks, strategy breakdowns and live examples, so you're always learning and leveling up. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you'll learn how to predict stock highs and lows. We break down simple yet powerful tools and indicators that help you identify when a stock is likely to reverse before it happens. No experience needed. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, our tutorials are step-by-step and beginner-friendly. Real case studies. Watch real market examples showing how our tools predicted tops and bottoms with high accuracy, including Amazon, Tesla, and more. Make smarter trades, stop gambling. Learn how to enter at low-risk points and exit near peaks, maximizing your profits. Exclusive tips every week. Get fresh videos every week with trade ideas, tool updates, and easy-to-follow strategies you won't find anywhere else. If you're serious about becoming a more confident, profitable trader, this is the channel you've been looking for. With these right tools, you can trade with clarity, confidence, and control. Subscribe now and turn stock charts into opportunity maps. Upping automatically pre-generated trend lines will provide a good indication of potential high and low prices. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert. No complicated strategies. No guessing games. When you know the range a stock is likely to move and defined by a certain resistance and support trend lines from these prediction tools, you can make smarter decisions, like when to buy low and when to sell high. Using upping high-low indicators, it is easy and straightforward to determine when is likely to be actual high and low and could potentially earn more money and reduce risk with a high probability. Look at this sample chart. The stock ticker symbol and time frame are labeled at the upper left side. The stock price as shown in vertical line typically reaches a certain target high or low trend line and then has a price reversal. The matching with a certain high or low trend line could be confirmed from historical data when compared with real-time vertical line prices. Just plug in the stock, check the predictions, and plan your move. That's it. It is easy to determine which band the stock price is currently fluctuating and is moving toward which high or low trend line. The daily or weekly chart where the tips of the prediction trend lines implies the expected potential high and low or effective resistance and support for the next time frame such as tomorrow or next week, respectively, if the stock market is closed today or this week. For example, these are Tesla monthly, weekly, daily, and Nvidia monthly, weekly, daily charts. You can see the actual stock price as shown in vertical line moves between different levels of high and low trend lines and matched well with a certain high and low trend line when it had a price reversal for all time frames. When you had experience in interpreting these upping high-low indicators, you would get a good sense of what high or low it would reach and if it is an uptrend or downtrend with a high probability and accuracy. Want to make more money in the market? Start with the right tool and let the numbers work for you. Try upping high-low pro prediction tool today and level up your trades. Predict better. Trade smarter. Win more. Because when you know the high and low, money becomes simple. Just check what expected high, low, and trend for these stocks based on upping prediction model to earn more money and reduce risk with a high probability. Remember, these upping high-low indicators have unique prediction functions since the tips of various trend lines imply potential high and low prices for the next time frame, for example, for the next week in weekly chart, for the next day in daily chart. The vertical line is the actual real-time stock price in the current time frame. The stock market doesn't have to be a gamble. Want to make more money from the stock market, even if you're a total beginner? Imagine knowing the high and low of a stock before the market even opens, for example, sometimes may even be just $1 difference from actual high or low for high-priced Tesla stock. Sounds impossible? It's not magic. It's just smart tech. With the right prediction tool, you can see the likely high and low prices for a stock before you trade. Subscribe now and start turning your stock predictions into smarter profits. Show your interest by subscribing Upping Stock Analysis YouTube channel and receive prompt notice for additional videos, or book a Zoom meeting to chat for more details. Watch more videos from this channel to get more information about how this tool works and how to use it. Join our community of traders who use logic, not luck.